What's up everybody, it's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Listen, I don't know what time it is where you are watching this video right now, but right here, right now, it's happy hour. So we're gonna make a drink. And today's drink is gonna be a blue Hawaiian, and the rum of choice is 10-to-1 rum. Now I gotta take a second to talk about this rum because this rum is really special. This rum was put on my radar by a really good friend of mine. He's actually a doctor as well. He's an anesthesiologist. Those are the people that put you to sleep before surgery. So we work together a whole lot. Well, let me rephrase that. I do a lot of the work and the anesthesiologist kind of just sits there and hangs out while I'm doing surgery. But anyway, they're great people, anesthesiologists, and they get paid a lot of money. So shouts out to them. But this rum was recommended to me by a good buddy of mine, and it's made by a good buddy of his. So my good buddy is from Trinidad, as is his friend. For the longest time, this rum was only available in Trinidad. I think it may have been available other places, but it wasn't available in the States. And as of a few days ago, it has now become available in the States. Yeah! So as soon as I had the opportunity to get myself a bottle of 10-to-1 rum, I jumped on it. So I'm super excited to finally have my own bottle of it. I had a private testing a few months back, and I was really impressed with it. We're gonna use a dark rum today, and this dark rum really kind of reads like a gold rum. It's really special rum. It's super smooth. And honestly, you can drink this neat, you can drink it on the rocks, you can drink it however you like. But today, we're gonna be making a blue Hawaiian, all right? So what we need for the blue Hawaiian is 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of blue curaçao, 1 ounce of coconut cream, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and the maraschino cherry for garnish. We're gonna shake it all up in our little blender, in our little shaker. It's called a shaker. And it's gonna be served in a highball glass over ice. Y'all ready? Let's get to it. Once we've got all of our ingredients in our shaker, shake it up. And then we serve it in our highball glass over ice. Ooh, baby. Not enough drink for the amount of glass that we've got, right? It would be better if it was higher, right? This kind of looks funny.
So what do we do? I mean, do you want to just be natural about it and just be like...
So it doesn't totally fill the glass, which is, it's throwing me off just a little bit, but it's a beautiful drink. Nice color. And we're gonna add a cherry or two for garnish. It would be awesome if I had the cherries with the stem, but we're working with what we got here today. So let's try it out. Got my taste tester off camera right now.
Yum, this is great.
I think we've got the seal of approval. So there you have it. Our taste tester thinks it's delicious. It's a beautiful drink. It's a good color. Our cherries have gone down to the bottom. And when I make this drink again, I think what I would change is that I'd probably use a different glass, because just for presentation's sake, I want the drink to kind of be closer to the rim. And I'd probably garnish this with a pineapple wedge as well. But It's a tasty drink, it's colorful, it looks nice, and it's a great drink for summertime. So we're gonna enjoy this. If you guys tried this at home, let me know how you enjoyed it in the comment section below. If you like this video, press that like button. And if you wanna see more videos of me making cocktails, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.